Hello everyone, welcome to Athi Tech, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix the Nivida Broadcast errors. As you guys can see, I'm getting a lot of errors, more than 3 errors, and it happened because I actually tried to install the RTX Voice along with the Nivida Broadcast. That actually made some conflict between these softwares, and I'm just getting this error after that. So in order to fix this, you just need to uninstall the RTX Voice and also the Nivida Broadcast. You should only use either Nivida Broadcast or the RTX Voice. You should never install both of them in the same computer because it will make some conflicts. The solution is very obvious. You just need to uninstall both of them. If you install the RTX Voice, then uninstall the RTX Voice, and also you should uninstall the Nivida Broadcast because these softwares got some conflicts and made some files corrupted maybe, and so you need to remove them first. But the most important part is you should only install the RTX Voice or you should only install the Nivida Broadcast. You shouldn't install both of them. You just need to choose only one and go with that. I'll always recommend you guys to install the latest version. If you can't find the link, I'll give the links in the description below so you guys can just directly click it and then download it from there. And once it's done, you need to install them. And once the installation is done, just check the results. And this time it will work. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And bye.